Hey everybody, welcome to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you are curious about, how to make a girl chase you. And when I say chase, I don't mean literally chase like with a net or anything. We're talking about sparking a genuine connection and making yourself someone she can't help but want to be around. Now, I'm no love expert, but I've learned a thing or two about relationships over the years. And trust me, it's not about playing games or pretending to be someone you're not. It's all about being your best self and letting your awesome qualities shine through. So if you're ready to ditch the dating apps and find a connection that's real, you've come to the right place. Stick around, because we're about to break down some surefire tips that will have her wanting more. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Building Self-Confidence. All right, first things first, building self-confidence. That inner sparkle that makes you feel like you can conquer the world. Confidence is like a magnet. It draws people in. When you believe in yourself, it shows, and it's incredibly attractive. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how someone just lights up a room when they walk in? That's confidence. It's not about being arrogant or cocky. It's about knowing your worth and owning it. So how do you build this magical confidence? Well, start by focusing on your strengths. What are you good at? What makes you unique? Embrace those things. And don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try new things. You never know. You might just surprise yourself. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, but trust me, it's so worth it. So go out there and shine. Chapter 2. Showing genuine interest. Okay, so you're feeling good, you're confident. Now it's time to show her that you're interested, and I mean genuinely interested. Put those phones down, folks, and listen up. This isn't about cheesy pickup lines or pretending to care about her stamp collection. It's about really wanting to get to know her, the real her beyond the surface. Ask her questions about her day, her dreams, her fears. And here's the key. Actually listen to her answers. I mean, really listen. Make eye contact, nod your head, and show her that you're engaged in the conversation. People can tell when you're not really paying attention. And trust me, it's not cute. So ditch the distractions and be present in the moment. Remember, a little genuine interest goes a long way. It shows that you're not just interested in her looks, but in who she is as a person. And that's a pretty great feeling, right? Chapter 3. Maintaining mystery. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, you just told me to open up and be genuine, and now you're telling me to be mysterious? What gives? Well, hear me out. There's a fine line between being open and sharing every single detail about your life on the first date. You don't want to overwhelm her with too much information too soon. Think of it like a good book or movie. You don't want to know the entire plot right away, do you? You want to be kept on the edge of your seat, wanting more. So hold back a little. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Give her little glimpses into your life, your passions, your quirks, but leave her wanting to know more. Trust me, a little mystery goes a long way in keeping things interesting. It sparks her curiosity and makes her want to unravel the layers of who you are. Chapter 4. Being a good listener. Okay, this one is so important, I can't stress it enough. Be a good listener. I know, you've heard it a million times, but there's a reason why this advice is so timeless. Being a good listener shows that you care, that you're present, and that you value her thoughts and feelings. It's about more than just hearing her words. It's about understanding the emotions behind them. Put away your phone, seriously, put it away, make eye contact, and really focus on what she's saying. Ask clarifying questions, offer words of encouragement, and let her know that you're really trying to understand her perspective. Trust me, when you make someone feel heard and understood, it creates a deep connection that goes beyond words. It shows that you're not just waiting for your turn to talk, but that you're genuinely invested in the conversation. Chapter 5. Showing your value. Now, this doesn't mean you have to brag or show off, but it's important to let your best qualities shine through. What are you passionate about? What makes you unique? Don't be afraid to talk about your hobbies, your interests, your accomplishments. Share your talents and skills, whether it's playing an instrument, writing poetry, or building websites. When you're passionate about something, it shows, and it's contagious. It draws people in and makes them want to learn more about you. Remember, you have so much to offer the world, so don't be afraid to let your light shine. Show her what makes you special, what you're proud of, and why she should be lucky to have you in her life. Chapter 6. Being supportive. Everyone needs a cheerleader in their corner, someone who believes in them and supports their dreams. Be that person for her. Show genuine interest in her goals and aspirations, whether it's landing her dream job, traveling the world, or simply trying a new hobby. Offer words of encouragement, celebrate her successes, and be there for her during challenging times. Let her know that you believe in her and that you're rooting for her every step of the way. Being supportive isn't about solving her problems or fixing everything. It's about being a source of strength and encouragement, a safe space where she can be herself and know that she's loved and appreciated. Chapter 7. Having your own life. Now, this might seem counterintuitive, but trust me on this one. Having your own life is crucial when it comes to attracting a partner. It shows that you're independent, that you have your own interests and passions, and that you're not just sitting around waiting for someone to complete you. Continue pursuing your hobbies, spending time with friends, and doing the things that make you happy. Don't drop everything the moment she calls or texts. Remember, a healthy relationship consists of two whole individuals who choose to share their lives, not two halves desperately clinging to each other. So go out there and live your best life. Pursue your passions, nurture your friendships, and show her that you're a catch, even when you're not around. Chapter 8. Being respectful. This one should go without saying, but it's amazing how often people forget basic manners, especially in the dating world. Treat her with respect, just like you would want to be treated. Listen to her opinions, even if you don't agree with them. Be mindful of her boundaries, and don't pressure her into anything she's not comfortable with. Remember, respect is about valuing her as a person, regardless of whether or not she's interested in a romantic relationship with you. It's about treating her with kindness, dignity, and consideration, both in person and online. Trust me, a little respect goes a long way in making a lasting impression. Chapter 9. Using humor. Laughter is the best medicine, right? Well, it's also a powerful tool in the game of love. A good sense of humor can lighten the mood, break the ice, and create a fun and memorable connection. Don't be afraid to be silly, tell jokes, and make her laugh. Life is too short to be serious all the time, right? Now, I'm not saying you have to be a stand-up comedian, but don't be afraid to let your goofy side shine through. A shared laugh can create a sense of intimacy and connection that's hard to beat. So go ahead and crack a joke, tell a funny story, and let the good times roll. Chapter 10. Being patient. And finally, my friends, the most important tip of all, be patient. Good things take time, and relationships are no exception. Don't rush the process, don't try to force anything, and don't expect things to happen overnight. Let the relationship develop naturally at its own pace. Enjoy getting to know each other, building trust, and creating a strong foundation for something special. Remember, the best things in life are worth waiting for. So take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the journey. If it's meant to be, it will be. And if not, well, then you've learned some valuable lessons along the way, and you're one step closer to finding the right person for you. So there you have it, folks. 10 tips that will have her chasing after you in no time. Just remember to be yourself, be confident, and most importantly, be kind. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We love hearing from you and sharing more tips on building healthy, happy relationships. See you next time.